We are going to learn how to knit through the back loop. Instead of working on a regular purl stitch, we are going to purl through the back loop. This is how you're going to do it. You're going to insert your needle through the back loop of the stitch. You're going to wrap it and then purl it through. Let's do it again. Insert your needle through the back loop of the stitch, wrap it, and purl it through. Now let's see that a few more times. This is gonna give the brim of a beanie a good stitch definition, and it's still gonna be stretchy enough. You can always go back to this video and take a look at how it's made. Now here I'm working on the brim of a beanie. This is gonna be a folded brim. You can see here on the Sawyer Hill Beanie how this brim looks. When you fold it, you're gonna see a very good stitch definition. Can you see it? Here you have it, the knit through the back loop.